In this video, I'll guide you through how to pay your T-Mobile bill online. So let's dive right in and make this process as simple and straightforward as possible. To get started, open up your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, whether it's Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge. Once you're online, head over to the official T-Mobile payment page. If you're unsure of the exact URL, a quick Google search for T-Mobile Pay Bill will lead you straight to the right spot. Now that you're on the T-Mobile payment page, you have two options to choose from. You can either pay as a guest using the T-Mobile Guest Pay option, or for a more personalized experience, you can log into your T-Mobile account for full access. Let's explore both options so you can choose the one that suits you best. If you decide to go with the guest payment option, you'll need to enter your T-Mobile phone number or your account number. Make sure you type it carefully, then confirm it by entering the same number again. This extra step helps ensure there are no typos or errors. You might be prompted to complete a quick verification step, such as checking a box to indicate you're not a robot. This is a simple security measure to protect your account. Once you've completed these steps, you'll see your bill details displayed on the screen. Take a moment to review them and ensure everything looks correct before proceeding. Now it's time to choose your payment method. You have the flexibility to select either a debit card or a credit card, whichever is most convenient for you. Carefully enter your payment information. Double-check the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code to avoid any errors that might delay your payment. After you've entered your payment details, it's time for the final step. Confirm all the information you've inputted and then submit the payment. This step completes your transaction, ensuring your T-Mobile bill is paid on time. And just like that, you've successfully paid your T-Mobile bill online. This convenient process saves you the hassle of mailing a check or visiting a store in person. By following these steps, you can manage your payments efficiently and ensure your service remains uninterrupted. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, paying your bill online is a quick and easy way to stay on top of your account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, T-Mobile's customer service is always available to help. Have a great day.